everyone, welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel.
Today's topic is moving average. Now, let's head over to Tradingview.com. This is Tradingview.com. I currently have a 30-day trial version. If you want to get a 30-day trial version as well, you can register using the reference link below. You can use a simple account. But right now, this simple calculation is advertised. We are slowly transitioning to new indicators. The moving average is a new indicator, so we need to learn this indicator. We will show you many indicators like RSI. This is the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, the Coinbase chart. Here we can see that Bitcoin is currently $60,000. The watch list is on the right side. We learned that we could clean up the watch list this way. And we also mentioned that we could add new tokens like ADA and similar coins here. For now, I am closing the watch list. Now let's move on to the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. First, what is a moving average? In other words, what are moving averages? We will discuss these. Here in the top left corner, there are indicators. I go to the indicators and type MA. I select the moving average. As you can see, we have a blue line here. To thicken this line, there is a settings section. On the left side, I go to the settings section and thicken this line. From the style section, as you can see here, I'm lightening it a bit and changing its color to yellow for better visibility, because we are using a dark theme. As you can see, we are currently using the dark theme. It's for you to see better. As you can see right now, this is the moving average. So, what is the purpose of this moving average? As you can see, moving averages actually give you a line by taking the weighted average of prices. And these weighted averages of prices work as support. So, how does it work as support? As you can see here, when prices are above the moving average, they have generally acted as support for us. It will look even better like this on an hourly chart, as you can see. Or let's take a look at a daily chart. As you can see, in the daily chart here, the moving average has always acted as a support when it is above. As you can see, it has acted as a resistance after breaking the support and falling below the moving average. Moving averages indicate the direction for us. The moving average helps us form an opinion. We can understand from here that a price has risen excessively or fallen excessively. As you can see, when it fell excessively, there was a convergence towards the moving average again. Here, when it rose excessively, there was again a convergence. If we set these moving averages to 25 instead of 9 in the input section, it will provide us with a better average. I am using a 25-period weighted average and taking it on a 4-hour chart. As you can see, the moving average looks clearer here. The moving average is acting as resistance here at the bottom. This means that a rise begins during a decline. Look, a rise starts right here. Here, a rise begins, and then the rise turns back into a decline. This area acts as resistance for us. So what is it working as at the top? There is a decline at the top here. Here, it is again acting as a support. Now we will talk about the golden cross and dead cross in moving averages. As you can see here, we are adding one more to the moving averages. Here I am writing MA. I am adding another one to the moving average section. And I am setting this moving average to 200. Since this is the strongest moving average, let's make it red and thicken it a bit. As you can see, I have set this to 200. When I set the other one to 25, I am making it 50. Yes, now we will talk about what dead cross and golden cross are. So friends, what is a golden cross? Look, when we take Bitcoin on a one-day chart, here, if I zoom in on Bitcoin, when it was around $8,000, yes, the 50-day average, which is the yellow line, has crossed the red line upwards at this point. This is the golden cross. A bullish trend begins because the yellow line crosses the 50-period average from below to above. If we look at the 4-hour chart, where was the last occurrence? Here, there is a golden cross at $30,000. As you can see, the yellow line has crossed above the red line. This means that the 50-day average has crossed above the 200-day average and upward movements have begun. We also have our dead cross or death cross. Let's examine this death cross over here using Bitcoin. Look over here. The point where the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average from above is referred to as a death cross. It is guaranteed here that a bear season has been confirmed. Look, the bear season has been established here and serious declines have occurred. Here we have another golden cross. We can easily see these with the moving average. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the hourly chart. If you double click here, you can see that Bitcoin has previously made a golden cross here. It has made a dead cross here. We can also see this on the hourly chart. Sales occurred here. At the moment, it made a dead cross. Look, it has started to cut downwards. So, because it started to cut down from here, there have been strong sell-offs. For example, right now, the moving averages are indicating an upward direction. I'm giving an example. The moment it starts to cut down slightly, sellers come in, and when it crosses below this red average, a waterfall occurs. Moving averages or hareketli ortalamalar are concepts that we will use many times later. Friends, I wish you all a good day. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, everyone.